Hi all, this is Monisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see a topic about benefits of cloud computing in the subject Cloud Technology Fundamentals. Benefits of cloud computing. The NIST definition of cloud computing by Peter Mill and Tim Grant's version 14 described previously in this chapter that classified cloud computing into the three SPI service models SaaS, IaaS and PaaS and four cloud types public, private, community and hybrid, and also assigns five essential characteristics that the cloud computing systems must offer. On-demand self-service. A client can provision computer resources without the need for interactions with cloud service provider personnel. Broad network access. Access to resource in the cloud is available over the network using standard method in a manner that provides platform independent access to client of all types. This includes a mixture of heterogeneous operating systems and thick and thin platforms such as laptops, mobile phone and PDA. Resource pooling. A cloud service provider creates resources that are pooled together in a system that supports multi-tenant usage. Physical and virtual systems are dynamically allocated and reallocated as needed. Iteranist in the concept of pooling is the idea of abstractions that hides the location of resources such as a virtual machines, processing, memory, storage and networking bandwidth and connectivity. Rapid elasticity. Resources can be rapidly and elastically provisioned. The system can add resources by either scaling up systems more powerful computers or scaling out systems more computer of the same kind, and scaling may be automatic or manual. From the standard point of the client, cloud computing resources should look limitless and can be purchased at any time in any quantity. Measured services. The use of cloud system resources is measured, audited and reported off to the customer based on the metered system. A client can be charged based on the known metrics such as amount of storage used, number of transactions, network input and output or bandwidth, amount of processing power used, and so forth. A client is charged based on the level of service provider. Benefits of cloud computing. While these five core features of cloud computing are on almost anybody's list, you also should consider these additional advantages as lower cost, ease of utilization, quality of service. Lower cost because cloud network operate at higher efficiency and with greater utilization. Significant cost reduction are often encountered. Ease of utilization. Depending upon the type of service being offered, you maybe find that you do not require hardware or software licenses to implement your services. Quality of service. The quality of service is something that you can obtain under contract from your vendor. Benefits of cloud computing has another two more benefits. Reliability. The scale of cloud computing network and their ability to provide load balancing and failover makes them highly reliable, often much more reliable than what you can achieve in single organization. Outsourced IT management. A cloud computing deployment lets someone else manage your computing infrastructure while you manage your business. In most instances, you can achieve considerable reduction in IT staffing costs. Simplified maintenance and upgrade. Because the system is centralized, you can easily apply patches and upgrades. This means your user always have access to the latest software versions. Low barrier to entry. In particular, upfront capital expenditures are dramatically reduced. In cloud computing, anyone can be joined at at any time. This very long list of benefits should make it obvious why so many people are excited about the idea of cloud computing. Cloud computing is not an panacea. However, in many instances, cloud computing doesn't work well for particular applications. In particular, upfront capital expenditures are dramatically reduces. In cloud computing, anyone can be a giant at any time. Thank you for patiently listening to me. Thank you.